What's up, everybody? Today we're going to learn Carry Me Away by John Mayer. It's a pretty simple song. You're going to be in standard tuning and you're going to capo the 4th fret. I'll break down the intro riff that goes through the first verse as well as each chord and each section. My name is Blakemore from Summit Guitar School. Do me a favor, if you enjoy this lesson and you learned something, follow the link in the description. Head over to the website and subscribe to our newsletter for free tabs and chord charts for all of our lessons. Also, do me a favor, follow us on Instagram and Facebook if you get the chance. We appreciate the support. Let's get started. All right, so let's break down that little intro riff. You just got to make sure you're capoed at the 4th fret. We're going to do a little palm muting riff here, okay? So this is just kind of what I figured that it would be on the acoustic guitar. There's a couple of contrasting lines that are happening, but this one will get you there and make it sound like the song. So I'm going to play the relative to the capo 3rd fret, and I'm going to palm mute 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and then I slide up to what would be the 5th fret relative to the capo, and then I do the 3rd fret 6th string, and then I go back. Doom, doom, doom. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2, 3. That's kind of faster. So here's it broken down. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then he pauses another 8th note there and then starts it again. So here's that riff again. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now that goes through the intro and really the whole first verse before the pre-chorus. So what I'm going to say is do that 2 times for the verse or intro, 2 times for the first half of the verse. Really, that covers about 8 measures there. And then I'm going to go, you can continue to play that through the second half of the verse, or you can go to the F chord, which is what I'm going to do, because at that point you can get this cool chord going. And it's an F, but you can lift up your middle finger and kind of get this open, more modern sound going. All right, so what we're going to do there is you're going to play 3rd fret 5th string, then 3rd fret 4th string, open on the 3rd string, and index on the 1st fret 2nd string, and you strum from the 5th string down. This really kind of cool open sound. If you'd rather put your middle finger down, you can. I think sometimes John Mayer is putting his middle finger down there, and sometimes he's not. So kind of hard to tell exactly when he is and when he isn't. I like the open sound. So again, you've got this chord here, keeping this as your root. All right, and you got that main riff. So if you'd rather play chords through that whole first verse, you'd play this C shape either like this traditional C shape, 3rd fret 5th string, 2nd fret 4th string, open on the 3rd, 1st fret 2nd string, or you do this fuller version, which is what I'm going to do throughout this lesson, which would be 3rd fret 6th string, 3rd fret 5th string, 2nd fret 4th string, open on the 3rd, 1st fret 2nd string, just like that. All right, so what I would do to kind of keep it driving through that first verse, it's 4 measures of the C, 4 measures of the F with that open note on the 3rd string, is I would just kind of chunk along, go just like that. So it's just downstrokes with the 8th note. So it's 1, 2, 3, So that's just an eighth note thing there. And we're just kind of chunking along because it really kind of helps the drive. All right, so then your pre-chorus, you're going to go to an A minor shape. It's open, 2nd fret, 4th string, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 1st fret, 2nd string. So there I'm going to go down, up. So I'm going to go, I'll do it slow. So you got A minor, 2, 3, 4, and C, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, G. So on the G, it's a passing chord. So you're going to go 3rd fret, 6th string, 2nd fret, 5th string, 3rd fret, 2nd string, 3rd fret, 1st string. Or you can just do your 3rd finger back here on the 3rd fret, 1st string, and not do the extra note on the 3rd fret, 2nd string. So let's play through that again. Your pre-chorus, A minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, C, F, that open sound, 1, 2, G, and do it again, A minor, 2, 3, 4, C, 2, F, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then it takes you straight to the chorus, which goes you back to that F for another 4 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, to C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Then it goes back to F. 1, 2, 3, 4 measures. 2, 2, 3, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Then it goes to the A minor. 1, 2, 3, 4 to C. 1, 2, 3, 4 to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Push to G, and then A minor. 2, 3, 4 C. 2, 4 F. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then back to a verse. But this time the verse starts on the F. 1, 2, 3, 4 measures of it. 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, C. 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Then back to F. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4. Then back to F for here's your pre-chorus, which is kind of like an outro. It acts as an outro, which is kind of interesting. It's kind of just a short little pop song. So F, 2, 4 measures, 2, 3, 4, C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to F. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then your A minor. 2, 2, and then G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, and then it goes to a D slash F sharp, F, C. So let's take a look at that D slash F sharp. So all you got to do there is, like, instead of a full D like this is an interesting passing chord to end the song. You're going to put your index, 2nd fret, 6th string, middle finger, 2nd fret, 3rd string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret, 2nd string, and you strum it. Your index kind of tilts over and mutes that 5th string. So that's all it is. 2, 3, 4, and then to an F, 2, 3, 4, and then you end on the C, just like that. Alright guys, that's everything you need to know to play Carry Me Away by John Mayer. If you enjoyed this lesson and you learned something, follow that link in the description, head over to our website and subscribe to our newsletter. We really appreciate the support, and I'll catch you next time.